Vanilla is one of the world's most rare and exotic flavors. Most vanilla beans come from an orchid species called Vanilla planifolia andrews and must be hand-pollinated, hand-picked, and hand-cured. Not all vanilla beans are alike. The size, flavor, and aroma are unique to each growing region. Vanilla beans from Madagascar are the perfect all-purpose vanilla due to the sweet, creamy, and full-bodied flavor. Vanilla beans from Mexico offer a rich yet spicy sweet flavor, similar to clove or nutmeg. Tahitian vanilla beans are from a different species of orchid called Vanilla tahitensis Moore, creating a distinct flavor profile. These beans provide a floral and fruity flavor with cherry-like undertones. Most of the world's vanilla supply is from Madagascar, with smaller crops coming from different areas such as Mexico and Tahiti. Vanilla can be the star ingredient, or it can play a supporting role, complementing and enhancing other flavors within a dish.